Hello and welcome back to one of the most unique streams on YouTube. The live chat isn't just passive viewers, but you're active participants in what I'm building here. I sit here and code this thing daily. It's an avatar chat. It's overlaid on the stream. It's literally driven by your chats. Everybody gets a unique voice. It's also how I share my desktop, how I share my cameras. Everything's built in WebRTC. It's all built as a web app. And today we're working on wrapping up my Python implementation for GPT for all, which makes it so we have an OpenAI equivalent that's actually running on machines right here in the office. And we're using WebSockets between Python and Node.js in order to communicate the token responses back and forth. So yeah, I'll get quiet, I'll put this up, we'll see how many tokens we have left today. We're doing a day stream because we've had a bit of growth on the channel as of lately, and it's important to keep momentum up. All right, let's hook everything up. We'll start with firing up Twitch. We do need to request a token increase from Google, but they're going to have to do a whole audit on everything I've done here. And we do have the API implemented properly now. It took a couple of months to get everything smooth, but we're there. What's going on, Truex? Have you slept yet? We're going to increase our chat fetch to 10 seconds because we don't want to run out of tokens today. So we got to do what we got to do. Uh-oh.
How's going?
Wrist is killing me. To figure out a more ergonomic desk situation, especially with these longer streams.
Curious, what are your plannings for the Halloween jack-o'-lantern?
Well, if I get a white shirt, I could be Rick from Rick and Morty. I've got the hair for it. What about you, Truex? Whew.
It's going to be amazing, I think.
What's that, Truex? By the way, we definitely broke some records on last night's stream, so very happy. Oh, gosh. All right, so we're gonna have to create a virtual avatar for our whole AI. We're gonna have to come up with a name for it because this is a local implementation of AI, so I think that's important.
Yeah, face with tears of joy we clutched and pushed out limits there.
Oh, hardcore. By the end, I wasn't sure I was going to be able to hang around, but we did it. All right. So now we're going to take the token response from GPT for all and actually have an avatar push it out into the chat. Let's see how I did it for OpenAI. And by coming on today, we're kind of figuring out the limits of YouTube, how far we can push these streams before they slow down pushing people over to us. As most people know, YouTube is a wee bit of a black box as far as how the algorithm works. We are on a time crunch today, but momentum is important to keep building up, so that's what we're doing. Okay.
I am joining with other accounts from other screens beaming face with smiling eyes.
Uh-oh. Yeah, on progress, this is what we're looking for. Hold on. So how is I dumping all this out? Funny when code that I've written is a little bit of a mystery to myself, but it'll be okay. So we're gonna have to implement something here to spawn a virtual avatar.
Twitch stream is also there?
Yep. Always. the interoperability between CJS and MJS is one of the main great pain points of Node, that's for sure. We're going to do a dynamic injection here, be less painful. Okay.
Coming up with a thing, just hang out.
Oh, I'm always hanging out. Dependency injection to the bloody rescue. Okay.
Viral Babu says, can you please guide me about CLR in C#?
What's CLR? It's to do with the JIT compiler. I don't know too much how it works under the hood.
Common Lang runtime.
Tell us what you know.
Mr. Dexter says yuva. Lo.
How far did you get with GPT for all? Share what you got.
Used local RISPy.
Did you utilize Flask? What did you use in Python to do that?
Really curious to know, have you tried Falcon?
I have not, but we'll take a quick look. You tell me about it? I don't think. Is that the United Arab Emirates AI? We'll add it to the list, something to dig through.
Falcon is a type of large language model, LLM, similar to GPT or Llama.
Interesting. Is it something you can run on local?
Yes, works locally, so you can run it offline using GPT for all or other framework.
No kidding. Fire. Yeah, once I get finished implementing this whole service layer, We're going to do a React front end so we can dynamically load in models and experiment with them all right inside this little avatar world. We are so out of sync with production. Look how many changes we've got to push up. You probably can't see it. It's off to the right, but wow.
Trophy yellow smiling. Trophy yellow smiling.
I'm gonna grab an energy drink. Come on, dog.
It's 2:15 a.m. here in India.
Oof. What's the temperature outside? I'm curious. Wow, it's windy here.
16 degrees.
Oh, that's pretty nice. No air conditioning needed.
Where is PH Face with tears of joy? We haven't seen him from a long time.
Ah, you should ping him, Trex. He is on the Discord. PH has been following the channel for maybe close to a year now.
PSP is black.
Yes, and it will continue to stay so, at least for the next couple of days. When we build out these new upgrades to the server, I can't test changes to the local server if I'm using it to host the PSP, so therein lies the problem. Yeah. Drex, I'm sure you can appreciate the vast amount of things that we're trying to do in this system. Uh-oh, can we lose tokens? We're out of tokens, folks. I'll have to switch over to localhost anyway. That's annoying. We're not going to breach the Google API limits. We're technically not allowed to use multiple keys. So I'm not going to do that because they're going to have to do an audit on the whole system I've built here. So I will switch over to a simple setup. The side effect means that we will get PSP. I just won't be able to test anything I'm building. So maybe I should focus on setting up a staging server. We might have to switch what I'm working on here. Correct, you gotta pay attention, buddy. I just told you we're not allowed to do that. Ooh, we might not be out of tokens. It might just be we maxed the server out. Let's find out. No, so the official way is we have to have YouTube do an audit on the system that I've built. And we're just gonna have to do it the official way since we want to grow this to be a large thing. We have to cooperate. And yeah, while there is different ways to accomplish the goal, you know, as a developer, we have that choice. You also have to know when to play ball. If it was up to me, there would be no limits, but it's not. Okay, let's see. Hello, welcome to the chat. I'm working on this avatar system that's driven by live chat. Let's fire this up again.
Used local recipe.
Let's remove my hard-coded limit. Oh. Remove this max request limit. Let's put 10,000.
It's a real-time avatar chat system that connects multiple platforms like Twitch, YouTube and many more. It have many features. Fire.
Bang on, Truex. Bang on. If you want to follow more, learn about the project, make sure you join the Discord as well. Okay, so we're gonna do, we might switch for a little second to progress bar.
I think thinking face I need some searching done on how people enabled links that are clickable in Shorts live stream as well.
Yeah, I think so. I don't understand why I'm able to click links in other people's live streams, but I might not click them.
It says YouTube removed maybe the clickable things from YT Shorts live stream on July 23, 2025 in their YT new policies.
Interesting. So it's just specific to the vertical streams. Huh.
What's your views? Is this the good time for the stream thinking face, or that day's time was more suitable?
No idea, buddy. We're figuring it out. There's also differences between weekday and weekend, Saturday and Sunday. I'm looking for feedback from the audience on that.
Yeah, let's see, always trying is better instead of thinking, so yup.
Yeah, it's very true. We just have to go out there and do it, because overthinking results in paralysis.
Are you working on progress bar thinking face thinking face?
Yep. It's an easy one, so let's roll with it.
And are you doing on localhost RN?
No.
How's AVD going? Face with tears of joy. The way you are typing is just amazing. I am staring on the keyboard of yours. Face with tears of joy.
AVD is 1 minute, 13 seconds. The hardest part is going to be making this look good, but we'll figure it out. I think we're going to make it like a floating thing, but bear with me till I figure it out.
It must have the thing like subscriber goal and progress bar, like a loading game bar with some amazing animations once it is completed.
Exactly.
Really curious to know if I can also do live stream using Kynto.
Sir Dexter wants to live stream. That'd be cool.
Like you are doing, can I also able to that same?
In like 1 month, you will be able to. Where's the bloody bar?
Will it need anything?
You'll have to generate a YouTube API key. I'll do a video on how to get set up for it.
Like good PC, or I can go on with low-end PCs also.
Relatively, it doesn't have to be super good, but it needs to be able to run a live stream. So it needs to be able to run the equivalent of OBS, essentially. Like, I don't think a Pi is fast enough, but a computer, yeah.
Four GBs of RAM with integrated VRAM is good?
What CPU? And it sounds like it doesn't have a GPU, it's just integrated. Because when you're streaming, it does make your computer work. Like, I'm sure you've tried OBS before. It needs similar stats.
Intel i5 8th Gen.
That should be good.
Yep, used OBS.
Yeah, I think you'll be in good shape. Think you'll be okay. Oh no, what are tokens? I could just end the stream, but I'm not. I'm going to continue coding. It shows you how hard we've been going the past 24 hours. What if not? Styles have been overridden. Okay. Still injecting it in this retro bar when it shouldn't be. Interesting. Very strange. Oh, because we're duplicating it. Weird. PH! Yes! Hey, buddy. We're just trying out YouTube tokens, but man, we've got a lot done. A lot done. I got GPT for all completely integrated. Did a whole Python WebSockets sublayer. Now we're working on stream goals. We got 3,000 views on last night's stream and like 30 subs. Let me boot up backup chat. Is it working? Damn, bro, I'm craving a burger right now. Hell yeah. That's what's up. Alright, I'm gonna reverse some of my changes here, preventing the system from working. PH had a burger with jalapenos, bacon, pepper jack, ketchup, and spicy mustard. Oof. Oof. Would destroy. I think there's a failure in the moderation system here. There's literally hundreds of systems playing together to make this work. ETHMD, welcome. Yeah, typically you get an avatar and it reads out your message and you can control it. We're just trying out API tokens. Bear with me while I work on reverting some changes here. I'm assuming. Oh, because we have chat active. Have a whole plugin system. All right, let's revert that. Appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for joining. We're rate limited. Oof. Ah. Backup chat in place. The good side effect is we can build up the PSP now.
Says lol, rolling on the floor laughing. Viral Babu. Tell us. Wow, the accent rolling on the floor laughing.
In English.
Globe.
Yeah, so eFMD, if you see this, it's a 20-year-old PSP connected to YouTube live chat right now.
Lol, rolling on the floor laughing globe.
CodeLock says globe showing Americas.
Globe. Not saying for me it's a cheating.
Try type in America in the emoji, like the search.
Globe, globe, globe. Globe.
PH, what have you had going on, buddy? Been a busy guy. That's what's up, though.
Sent all the globe that exist rolling on the floor laughing.
Trex, are you using the web browser or are you using a phone app? How are you watching?
Web.
Interesting.
Tears of joy, I am my lap on.
We're not going to be able to make any. Let's see here. I think I need to put up staging so we have a backup to production. Let's see what we need to do that. Oh, shit.
In YouTube.
I think I might remove that command, guys.
In YouTube.
Yeah, please don't. I can easily turn it off.
I was trying if they will run again.
Ah. That was pretty funny. Probably because of this line that was triggering it. Glow avatar makes your avatar glow, but it also hijacks the movement command. That's probably what was causing it.
Globe showing Americas. Globe showing Europe, Africa. Awesome. Children crossing.
It's 77 minutes.
PH Designs joined Fire Island.
So PH, tonight you won't be able to find this, or today. I'm so used to streaming during the day. But we're running this test on local right now. Just a heads up.
PH Designs joined Lil Garden.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We'll be back tomorrow, back to normal tomorrow.
Do love streaming, have impressions.
What?
Live asterisk.
I don't think so. Maybe for desktop streams. Okay. My friend's on his way up. I'm gonna have to put a pause to this, guys. Go do laundry and get ready. PH, it's really good to see you, man. Yeah, man, just good to see you. Hope things are well. Things going all right over here. Just bloody hell.
I think tomorrow morning or tonight you are getting the new thumbnail.
Oh hell yeah, Truex. Truex is always looking for ways to help. Appreciate it. Yeah, folks listening, just remember there's a Discord, videos, Truex, put together a video that's on my channel right now. And yeah, PH, hope to catch you maybe Monday night. Well,
views?
You doing all right?
we'll be doing a stream tomorrow night, I think. Yeah, PH, doing good. The only reason I'm tired is we did a really long stream last night. Got 3,000 views, and been like banging out, getting a lot of subscribers. But yeah, no, things are going good, man. Relative. There's some jobs in the pipeline, some contracts, and yeah, I like that one girl, so that's going all right. Could be worse. Been through darkness.
It's already
so we'll
reaching 3.1k.
Yeah,
Okay,
Truex, it was brilliant.
hope to see you tomorrow. Grinning face with
Yeah,
big eyes.
100%.
Congratulations,
100%.
party popper.
Hell yeah. I've learned not to take things too seriously, you know, such is life, but man, it's nice. It's nice.
Sounds a lot better.
Oh, hell yeah. I think the core requirement is just be nice. And everything else we can figure it out. You get a long way just being nice. Yeah, I better shut this down now. But before I shut this down, Truex, you can see the start of the progress bars for the goals. We'll work on making these look awesome, and this will all live update. So we'll have goals as part of the streams that update. We'll have like
Keep working hard.
hell yeah, PH, no doubt there. And we'll have rewards when goals are met. You know, we'll do something crazy or we'll do something. So
Looking really nice already.
hell yeah. Truex, you were impressed by how quickly I hammered that out. That's what it takes. Alright. Cheers guys, enjoy your bloody weekend and I'll be back with you soon. Alright.
Speed run.
Hell yeah.
Asterisk asterisk.
You guys make this project, I gotta remind you of that.